Good day everybody, welcome to the Bonus How To. Today I'm going to show you a free alternative to Microsoft Office. If you want to have Microsoft Office for yourself, you have to pay 70 euros a year. Let me show you a free alternative which kinda works the same. So open your browser and go to Google. Then search for LibreOffice. Then go to this website, LibreOffice.org. You will probably find the download button. If you don't, you will see download right here, download Office. Then you will see all the application versions. We want to download the newest for Windows 64-bit. If you have a different operating system, you can go ahead and install the other ones. But I'm going to install the 64-bit from Windows. Click on download and it will download. The installation will begin shortly. It says right here. My installation is going to free download manager because that's a really fast installation program. Or yeah, downloading program. Installing is something different. And if you can't find out where it's downloading with you, just go above here on the top bar and search for downloads. I'm not downloading it in my browser, but if you would, you will probably see it here. My application is downloaded, so I can open it right here. LibreOffice, there you go. I'm just going to install it right here. Double click on it. The Windows installer will open. What you then need to do is click on next, then choose which version you want. I'm going to choose the typical because it's really easy to set up. You don't have to customize everything separately. Click next, then choose if you want to create a shortcut on desktop or load LibreOffice during a system startup. These are decisions you have to make yourself. I'm not going to do the startup, but I'm going to make a shortcut on my desktop. Click install. Then click on yes with the user account control. Then it will of course validate the install and will install on your computer. It will maybe say files in use. This means that it has to close those. You can see the whole list right here. It says Streamlabs, OBS and everything like that. That means I probably have to close my OBS right now, but it doesn't really matter. You can also choose to reboot your computer after the setup is complete. I'm going to choose that one because I'm recording right now. This means you have to reboot your computer after the LibreOffice install. But this is really just up to you. It will probably just take a while. Just let it run for a moment. And if you want to know more about LibreOffice, you can always go to their website and figure out what they offer. If you want to know more about them, you can go to Get Help and do the documentation. This is a whole documentation about every single application and how to use it. There's a lot of PDFs you can download here on every single thing you want to do, but I'm just going to show you the basic stuff. When it's done, you can click on Finish. It wants to restart my computer, but I don't want to do it right now, but I have to restart later. Double click on your application, wherever it is. It's probably in your start menu. Just type LibreOffice in your start menu and you will see a whole list of applications. This is actually the home menu, you could say. The Office 365 application with everything in it. Like you want to make a writer document, that's fine. That's a Word version of Microsoft Office. I don't want to have tips on startup, but this is really just up to you. You can type right here, save it, however you want. It really just looks like a cheaper version of Microsoft Office because it's totally free. I'm just going to close this writer and I'm going to the next one. Like spreadsheets, a Calc. This is Excel, you can definitely see that. Every single option should be here. And if you need any help with it, we could either make a tutorial or you can just go to their website. But like you can see, it has everything you want, even the PowerPoint version. There you go. You want to make this PowerPoint. There you go. You can create that title. There you go. Oh, my caps lock was not, but doesn't matter. There you go. You got your PowerPoint version, totally free. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on how to install LibreOffice and why you should probably want to do it because it's totally free. You don't have to pay a lot of money every single year just to use an application you don't use often. This is a true application that's supported by a company, LibreOffice, and everyone can look at the code, so it's really safe. I'll see you in the next one and I hope you enjoyed this one. Goodbye.